video. You guys have seen us fly the Ringmasters. We have developed a P40. This one has 051 in it. Like, we already test ran all the engines. They run great. We're off to the baseball field. Do some flying.
Lands upside down. I hear this is not ideal.
There it is.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! And the crowd goes wild!
Oh! Shit. Couldn't bring it back around, huh?
That's right, yeah.
Damn.
Let's investigate.
Just landed upside down, huh?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our first plane fatality. How many pieces would you say that's in, Mr. Hughes?
It's 5 at least, minimum.
At least.
Minimum 5.
All right.
You know, when we go big, we like to go all the way.
Yeah. Yeah.
A little more than the Miss America, and maybe we'll epoxy her back together. I don't think that one's coming back together.
It might.
Yeah.
That was beautiful. She served you.